This is rental car number 73, and today I'm driving a 2017 Ford Flex Limited. I love this SUV. I didn't think I was gonna, because it kind of looks like a lunchbox, but still, I enjoyed it so much that I wanted to share my experience in kind of a new way, so I put together a little montage of me driving it around at night. I hope it gets you kind of the feeling, the vibe of driving this car, because that's really what I'm going for. I hope you enjoy it.
His eyes narrowed. "Any bloke I told you? Either of you?" he added, looking at Eli. "Not that we've heard, sir," Eli said. "Good," Lawrence said.
So that's it, just a quick little trip in the 17 Ford Flex Limited. Really enjoyed this one. I can't say that enough. There's a full review up on my channel if you're interested. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you join me next time when I drive my 74th rental car. I'll see you then.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.